Hello, I'm Chris from 4Home Speakers, and I'm very happy that you're going to spend a few minutes with me today so I can help you hear your TV better. Now, right now, there are millions of people out there that could improve the quality of their lives if they could just hear their TV better. Now, we do not think you want wires running all around your home. What a hassle and what a hazard. Let's eliminate that, shall we? We'll go wireless. Not fancy Bluetooth, which has tremendous limitations, but rather let us use solid, proven RF technology that's been around forever. You want to hear your TV better? Listen to this sound. This is the NELO2-SYSREM. One speaker, one remote, one transmitter. Heavy duty, lightweight, quality, large, easy to read buttons on the top. I prefer the remote control. I do have it plugged in, but it does take batteries. The transmitter also takes batteries, but I have that plugged in too. Now, what I really like about this is it's basically one connecting wire off of the transmitter. You connect this into the back of your television, your cable box, or your satellite box to get crystal clear audio. It takes about 1 minute. Let me tie this in. I have it on the music channel. Incredible sound. Now, there's another special feature about this which I really like. This cord splits. And for all you phone people, you know who I'm talking about. This 3.5mm jack plugs right into any wireless device, and you can hear your tunes right off of here. It also works that way. You can set it right here, just like that. I prefer the TV. I have this system in my home. My wife loves it. You can have these up to 50 feet in your home. Now, I'd like you to know that as far as I'm concerned, this demonstration is not the end of our relationship. We encourage you to call us here if you need it, or hit the big contact button on the left-hand side of our screen at 4Home Speakers. Like I said, feel free to call 1-800-520-9891. And if it's not too much bother, please like us on Facebook and feel free to join us on our YouTube page. Let's hear some crystal clear sound.